Hi riders, in this tutorial we will show you on how to bleed the brakes. First of all, you have to remove the cover of the braking fluid container. Use a screwdriver because the screws are very sensitive here and can break very fast. After removing the screws, you can carefully remove the cover. Then slowly remove the protection. Then you will be able to see the braking fluid. In the next step, go to your braking caliper. Remove the protection of the valve. Use a wrench to open the valve. And be careful here as well, because the valve is also very sensitive. Please be careful here, because braking fluid is not good for your motorcycle parts. Use a paper towel or use a container to securely save the braking fluid. To bleed the brakes, you have to press your braking lever and then open the valve. Then close the valve again and release the brake lever. Do this a few times until you see no bubbles anymore. Then in the end, close the valve, put the protection back on it. Make sure that you don't have any braking fluid left on your braking caliper or any other parts. And place the protection back on the braking fluid container and then also the cover. And be careful with the screws because they are very sensitive. It is the same procedure for the front brake, for the rear brake and for the CBS brake of the Bonfire X. Have a safe ride.